Nafi says that Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu divorced his wife during her menses. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu inquired of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam its precept. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon commanded Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu to take his wife up and give her respite until her another menstrual period passed. Then give her respite until she got clean after the expiry of second menstrual period. Then give her divorce before practicing coitus with her. This is the period during which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has commanded to give a woman a divorce. Later, when Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu would be asked about a man who had divorced his wife during her period, he would say, if you have divorced her once or twice, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has commanded to resume conjugal affairs with her. Then you should give her respite until his other menstrual period terminates and she gets clean. And then you should divorce her before practicing coitus with her. But if you have divorced her thrice, you have disobeyed your Lord Jalla Jalaluhu regarding the command which He Jalla Jalaluhu has issued to give a wife a divorce, and she has split with you. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3641.